Well, I've been besting whether to go over and stay with our Nora for a few days, but my old man don't want to go, and I no tension of leaving him here to make hailstorms and confusion while I'm away. He says he'd be happy enough if I left him a bucket full of stew and a dozen pasties. But there's no way I was going to leave him here by himself. He can't bear Nora's old man. He's too neary for me, my old man say. I reckon he's got 7 the ways of his mother. We always say she make 2 tea bags last of the week. My old man took a dislike to her when we went Plymouth with his mother and our Nora for the day. Took us in her car, he did, and his mother come loaded up with sandwiches and 2 flasks of hot water. She had a cold tea. Day out is a day out, I just say. We'll stop on the way for a cup of tea and a bite to eat. Anyhow, on the way I was chagging for a cup of tea, and my old man was eyeing up all the pubs we passed. But Ernie wouldn't stop. He says if he's to keep up a good speed all the way, it wouldn't cost him so much in petrol. Thank heavens, last we had stopped for a call of nature. And me and my old man spied a cafe, so we nipped out of the car and was sitting in the cafe before Ernie knew anything about it. We had some lovely fish and chips and a cup of tea, strong enough to put your spoon to stand up in. Handsome 'twas. Our Nora wouldn't have loved to have come in, but she didn't have the neck. So we took her a bag of fish and chips to eat in the car. Of course, her mother come with us, all sickly like with the smell, and Ernie had to stop the car 3 times for she. 'Twasn't a bad day out, suppose, but though we was some pleased to get back home. When we got out the car, my old man gave Ernie 5 shillings towards the petrol. Ernie looked at the money in his hand and he said, I worked it out. It cost 5 shillings each for the trip. So that's 10 shillings for you and Bessie here. 10 shillings, he said. Bessie and me could have gone on a bus excursion for half a crown and had a seat each instead of being scrunched up like these 3 pilchards in the back with she. And we could come and have a bit of sing-song on the way home and a bit of fun and a pint before we come home. 10 shillings, I ain't never heard things like it. And with that, he slammed the car door and went indoors. I don't really see the point of going over stay with Nora again. There's nothing like your own slab and your own bed, is there? See you again.